taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been missing, I've been MIA for a little while, but I took a break from this channel. If you don't know, I have two channels, and I have been mainly focused on my inspirational channel and, just hearing from God and, concentrating on my spiritual journey. So that's where I've been. That channel is Tiffany Nicole Inspires. If you want to subscribe to that channel as well, you can catch me on that side. I would love to have you, but if you're new here, my name is Tiffany. I am not new to YouTube. I've been around for a minute. I've just been off and on, but I do hauls. I do decorations. I've dabbled in little DIYs and different types of things. I do all the things, hence the name, all things Tiffany Nicole. So if that's something that you like to watch, then make sure that you stick around and subscribe to this channel as well. And if you're an OG, thank you for coming back. So in this video, I'm just gonna be taking y'all along as I tackle my kitchen. I took my kitchen back from my kids. That my younger two were responsible for doing the kitchen and the dishes or whatever, but I am so sick and tired of not being able to find things. My cabinets be looking a hot mess because they don't put stuff away like they're supposed to do. Stuff is going missing. I'm just so over it. So I decided to take my kitchen back, and I am going to take y'all along as I clean my kitchen and get it prepared to do a little bit of organization and rearranging. I'm not going to do a lot of rearranging, but you guys will see later on in another video of the things that I'm going to be moving around. But yeah, so I'm pretty much just, I'm trying to find, a routine or a way that works for me, being that I do have ADHD, so my mind be all over the place, and I make lists. I make lists, but sometimes I forget about those lists, and sometimes I make lists that are not, something that is capable of me completing in one day. So I'll be overwhelmed, and it's just a lot. So I'm learning to try to figure out what works and what don't work, and I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff that I no longer need, just decluttering things from my life, and trying to make my home the best that I can make it with the space that I have. My kitchen is small, so I don't have a lot of kitchen like cabinets or storage, so you'll see that I have a lot of different things that I've added to my kitchen just to create more space and just to get it organized. And I think after this change, I will be in a better place as far as maneuvering around in my kitchen, and it being the second best place that I like to be in my home. So yeah, just stick around and watch. I'm not going to talk the whole video. I'm just going to, play music and allow you guys to just watch me. I do have my girl Kim at home playing on the TV in the background. That was my background noise. I find that actually helps me out with, motivating me to keep going. And if I do stop, as long as it's on the TV playing, I'll get back up. It's okay to take a break, but make sure that you get back up and finish the job. So that's been helping me by watching cleaning videos. So I had to put my girl Kim up. So if y'all haven't heard of her channel, make sure you go subscribe to Kim at Home. And also I put the O in the mom.
Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. And I know healing ain't instant. Can we survive?
I know y'all probably like, Tiffany, why are you hand washing dishes? What happened to the dishwasher? So yeah, I do have a dishwasher, but y'all, my house was built in 1999. I bought this house from the people that had the house built. So everything that is in this house is original. The floors, the appliance, well, not the appliances, except for the dishwasher. And that dishwasher is old and it is not doing what it's supposed to do. So that's another thing adding on to my list of things to get and do around this house. I'm just used to the list by now. When you're a homeowner, you're just gonna have a list. Like, it's just, there's no ands, ifs, buts about it. But I'm okay with washing the dishes. I thought I wouldn't be, but it was actually relaxing. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, it was relaxing for me. I am a Cancer, so water and all that just to hear the water running is all like serenity for me. So it was relaxing just to sit there and hand wash the dishes. So hey, it won't be a priority, but I will be looking to get a new one. I have been pricing them, so it's just a matter of me going and getting what I want.
Don't regret that. Sunny side up, try to keep it cool. Bending all the rules, bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cool. I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself it right. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams.
You will not be seeing me mop in this video only because I mop when my dogs are like down for the night. So it's like defeating the purpose of mopping while they are up. So I am sleeping and vacuuming, but I will mop at a later time, but it won't be on video.
Flying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
All right, I hope y'all enjoyed cleaning with me. I hope you got some motivation. This is coming to the end of the video. I hope that you stick around and make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you're aware of when I drop videos. This is just cleanup before I rearrange some things. So my next video, I will be moving a little bit around in the kitchen to try to switch some things up. So stay tuned. God bless.